When you order any McDonald's crispy chicken sandwich on the app, you get
tornado emergency for the KIH-28 listening area. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, western Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Salem County in central New Jersey, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 10 miles north of Montgomeryville, or 7 miles northeast of Morrisville, moving southwest at 60 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the KIH-28 listening area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Trenton around 4:59 p.m. Princeton Meadows around 5:05 p.m. New Brunswick around 5:10 p.m. Morganville around 5:18 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Long Branch, Red Bank, Eatontown, West Freehold, Browns Mills, Mount Holly, Philadelphia, Camden, Woodbury, Pine Hill, Williamstown, Pennsville, Newark, and Hawkeffen. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado.
Pie with fall flavors, you might just want to jump in. Get it delivered at DQ.com.